It has been a common dilemma for many users to encounter issues after installing iOS 13 on their devices. One of these issues is about iPhone that cannot receive phone calls. The usual trigger that we can think of when the incoming call feature is not working properly is due to network-related errors. But that isn't always the thing, especially when the problem started after installing iOS 13 on their devices. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone XR can no longer receive phone calls after iOS 13. First solution: toggle the airplane mode switch on and off. If the problem occurred without apparent reason or cause, then it could be due to a minor firmware issue that affected your iPhone's network services. Refreshing these services often fixes problems like this. Thus, the first thing you have to do is to enable airplane mode to disable all wireless communications. After a few seconds, disable it so that all connections will be restored. Here's how you do it. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to pull the control center down. Tap on the airplane mode icon to enable it. After a few seconds, tap it again to disable it. After this, try to see if your iPhone can now receive phone calls. Second solution: reset the network settings of your iPhone. This will fix any network-related problems including cellular data and Wi-Fi. In fact, if this is just a temporary problem that occurs from time to time, this procedure should be able to fix it. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution: factory reset your iPhone. If the previous solutions failed to fix the problem, the next thing you should do is the factory reset, because it's clear now that it's a firmware issue. A reset will surely fix it. However, make sure to create a backup of your important files and data. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. Key in your Apple ID password and then touch Erase. Wait until the reset is finished. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.